This is one of the house site at the front. There is a huge gap between the bricks and the window frame, and this is an old house, and it used to have this as the cornices to close, but I think it's just losing the glue after 2 decades. Instead of re-gluing back into the gaps, I am going to use a metal corner just to close this. Number one is for durability and it looks good. Okay, so this is the metal corner, 25 by 25, and the length is 1 meters, and apparently the frame, the size, the length of this frame is 1.5, and this is only 1 meter, so I bought 2 of these, and I'm gonna cut according to the measurement. Okay, now I'm going to install the first metal, and I'm using a liquid nail, the same like the previous builder. I'm avoiding using any drilling for this work. Okay, it looks good already. Because it's only 1 meter's length, I have to cut the other one around 54 mil to close top corner. Cool, this is the final result now. I have installed the metal cornices to close the gap between the bricks and the window frame, and the only thing left is to paint matching the color of the brick and also the frame. So I'm gonna have to do 2 sides. This side is gonna be purple and this side is gonna be cream color, and I'm going to do it next time. I'm not gonna do it today. I want to let the glue rest, and once it's rest, it's gonna be tight like a nail, because I used this liquid nail before and I trust this product. Anyway, if you find this video useful, always give a thumbs like and consider subscribing to my channel. Until then, see you next time. Bye.